Once you've learned how to make chicken in bacon sauce, you won't want to do it any other way. First, we'll fry the bacon in a pan that's already heated so that it fries in its own fat. Then we'll remove the bacon, and in the same pan, we'll sauté a chopped onion and 3 cloves of crushed garlic. We'll let it fry here for 3 minutes. And while the onion and garlic are frying, we'll season this chicken. Here I have 800 grams of chicken, and I'll season it with salt to taste. A teaspoon of paprika. A teaspoon of garlic powder. And we'll mix it very well. Then we'll add it to the pan with the onion and garlic, and we'll let the chicken fry until it's golden brown. And meanwhile, we'll take the bacon we fried and put it in the blender, but I've set aside some of it for decoration. We'll also add 2 generous tablespoons of cream cheese, and lastly 200 milliliters of cream. And now we'll blend it until it's smooth and the texture is like this, and we'll set it aside. Look at our chicken, it's already fried well, and now we'll add the bacon cream, then just stir it very well while it's cooking. When it comes to the boil, we'll add grated mozzarella cheese here on top. And we'll also decorate it with the pieces of bacon we've set aside. To make it even prettier, we'll add some chopped parsley on top, and look how delicious it is. How juicy and tasty this chicken is. Now all you have to do is serve it up. Make it at home because the whole family will love it, and everyone will ask you for this recipe. Look how perfect it is. This chicken is wonderful. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.